What's up, YouTube? It's your friendly Uncle Elroy Fulton, and we are back in the garage today. So, as you guys know, had a beautiful, fun time out in Arizona. If you caught some of the footage, dope. It's on the other video. Go ahead, go to my channel. You should be subscribed already anyway, but if you're not, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then you'll be the first to know when I drop new videos. Who don't want to know when I drop videos? Everybody do, of course. So, back off vacation, and we are back in the garage. And if y'all remember, I was a little pissed off about the garage. Yes, it has not been done. A little bit, but we're still working. So, today, while I was gone, I got a bunch of packages, and you guys are going to see everything that I got. But for now, we got to get going because I want to ride tomorrow, and I'm tired of the wind killing me. So we are going to take bad decisions here, and we're going to give her a nice new windshield. I went ahead and decided to go with the Klock Werks 15-inch. I think it's one of them. But I went with a taller one because, as you guys can tell, I am tall. I am 6'3", and I'm not a little guy. I'm not a little guy, so we'll leave it at that. But I went with the Klock Werks because it gives me height up to around here, which allows the wind to go up and over me. So then I can sit comfortably behind the wind. You know, because I ain't a kid. I'm not young no more. I understand that. And I ride for comfort now. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. It's not hard. It's 4 little screws on and off, 5 minutes, maybe 10 tops. So this is just to show you guys that it can be done and that you can do a lot of work on your Harley by yourself. You don't have to take it to the dealership, because the dealership's going to charge you dealership prices. Meanwhile, you put a little sweat equity in it, and you feel better about it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding it on. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So we're going to be removing these, which I already loosened up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And like that, voila, she's gone. And now, let's unpack this beast. Voila! This is the new one. So, I'm gonna take all the plastic off. As you can see, Chrome works. I like them. And we can get this thing put on here. All right. All right, guys. Now let's put this on here, and I leave the plastic on. Usually, when I'm working with something new, I leave the plastic if it's got plastic covering it, so that I don't scratch up anything. This, I don't think I could scratch up, but still. All right. simply put the screws right back the way they were. Now I'm doing these two so they set, so that it sits on there so I can let it go. Voila. And now we put the other two on. And one. Pull the plastic back. And we screw. All right, she's set. Tighten down. Don't go too tight because you don't want to pop them. And this, just like a windshield, once it gets a crack in it, it's pretty much done for. All right, and reveal. Oh, it looks so much better. I'm gonna have to remount my 360. That's no problem. So we just flip it. And that fixes that. And voila. Just like that, we're done. And there goes the Klock Werks. And now the wind will not mess with us. So, just a quick tip on little comfort features that you can do to your bike that's not going to cost you much, and you're not going to have to take it to the dealership. So until next time, all my jets, let's go out here, get in the wind, and always on twos. See ya.